everyone, I'm Ramisa Azad Neeha, a student of Canadian University of Bangladesh, and I'm currently studying in the BBA department. This university has been instrumental in enhancing my knowledge in various fields, but especially in business. For instance, alongside my studies, I've also pursued my passion on cooking and became a professional chef. Now, with a solid foundation from my marketing and operations major, I'm getting valuable insights about how to manage and operate my future business. I'm confident that with the skills and knowledge that I'm acquiring from this university will be very helpful for me in the future, and I'll be able to run my business smoothly, inshallah. So I'm very happy to be a part of this university. I'm sure this university will shine brighter in future.
Canadian University of Bangladesh, inspiring applied knowledge.